We got seagulls. We got a baby seagull over here. All right. What's up, everybody? Ryan here in Sandusky, Ohio. At the lake out there. Got a couple of old carriers. We've got seagulls that are not happy with me. There's a baby over there. So hopefully I don't get attacked. Too bad. Holy shit. Get the hell out of here. All right. Let's take a peek. We've got a store here that's warm on their second floor. Looks like I've got a motor there. Thermostat was set off. I'm not sure which unit is which. They're filthy. This one's running. Feels like one stage running. It's hot down here. It is cold up here. So we're gonna start on this one here. It's not running. See what the deal is. See what's going on. Like I said, baby seagull over there in the corner. And these guys aren't happy with me. It's all right. I believe this is the one that the thermostat was set off because I kicked it on literally right before I got up here. I had no call for why, and then magically about 5 minutes after I kicked it on, there it goes. 24 volts on Y1. Nothing on Y2 yet, but it's 78 in the space, and I kicked it down to 72, so it should be kicking on here momentarily. Freaking baby seagull, that one's pissed. I can't concentrate. Anyway, I want to get these I want to get this side panel off and look at these filters before I do anything, because from the look of this unit, coil's filthy. It's like cottonwood. So I want to get a look at these filters and see if they're plugged up. And I'm not climbing all the way up there, so I'm going to take this side panel off, make it a little easier on myself. Holy sh! About to get bombarded. Alright, filters are dirty. They're not horrible. Our economizer is open to the return air. Looks like a minimum position on the economizer to the outside. Looks like my thermostat connections are all right here too, so I'm going to throw a couple of screws back in this panel, get this put on. Oh boy, that's about to get blown over the side. It's a little windy up here. Like I said, we're at Sandusky, the lake right there. We'll get a temp going here. Let that do its thing. Here's first stage is still running. Let's see if stage 2 is calling yet. Nothing on stage 2. And we still have a call on Y1. So I'm gonna do a little touching and feeling here. Move this panel, see if my suction line's cold. Make sure both my fans are running. Nice patio over there. All of my fans are running. The suction line's good and cold. Discharge line is hot. Second stage isn't doing anything. And we are sweating back to the compressor. I'm gonna leave this alone for right now, get this cover put back in place, go down to the thermostat and see why we're not calling for Y2. All right, I just jumped out Y2 off of Y1. I just wanna confirm it works. And we're dropping, we were at 60. I saw as soon as it kicked on, it dropped it down a couple. So I'm curious, is this unit not calling for Y2? Why aren't we, because that temperature setting so many degrees below, it should be kicking on. What a mess. Let's see if our, holy shit. Let's see if our little friend is over here. Freaking, look at this. Let's see if we can't get a screw in that. I'm not sure if one unit does the top floor and the big unit does the second and first floor. I'm gonna go take a peek. That little seagull is in the corner. Let's see if I get attacked here. This guy's not happy. See him? All right. Apparently, those Lennox rooftop units are for this store as well. So I'm gonna leave all this stuff opened up the way it is, and we're gonna take a look over there. I thought they only had the 2 carriers here. So let's move all our stuff over that way. I went down and found more thermostats. It's a pretty big building. It's 3-story, and I walked it off, and I believe it's that one right there. 22 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Over the wall will be 12. Let's make sure. Holy crap, I'm getting dive bombed by freaking seagulls. What the hell? What's up with me and the wildlife here? Birds. 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So close enough. Oh my God, look at a condenser. Please don't be a seagull nest around the corner. Bet you the blower isn't working here. I wish that freaking bird would quit dive bombing me. Jesus. Oh, that blower does not sound good. Look, look, look everybody. What? I'm just trying to fix the AC. Fucking bird. Look at this fucking madness. Ay, ay, ay. I'm gonna watch my back. Oh, Christ. All right, something around here these birds don't like me being up here. I'll have to check that one too. Let's see what's going on with this blower. It just does not sound like it's moving much air. Not very hot coming out the top. Of course, screws up here. Look at that, no belt. That'll do it. Lay your panels down, guys. Listen to Steve from Everything HVACR. No belt. Fucking seagulls. Let's see if they got a spare belt in this unit. I'm looking for seagull nests here, guys, because something's riling these things up. They don't like me over here. All right, I think we're good. See what's going on with this guy real quick. That freaking thing needs clean. I don't know where they got water access up here, but it's gonna get written up because I've got a mountain of service calls. This one's dumping a good amount of water. Shut up. Dumping heat. We'll take a quick peek at that, but our main culprit is this filthy and disgusting condenser coil along with no belt. Maybe that's why it was shut off. They just shut it off, and that's smart. A lot of people will just let it run and run. This motor's not even hot for... Look at how far out that freaking pulley is. I'm gonna have to pull that off. There's no way. That's probably what threw it, but look, I mean, look, the belt's shredded. But that pulley is like wound all the way out. I'm gonna have to pull that and see what's going on with it. I'm gonna try to pull this blower out a little bit. Let me put down my camera and we'll go from there. Let's take a peek over the corner here. Oh yeah, it's a long way down. Holy shit. Seagulls. Oh, that's why their baby's over in a corner now. The baby is over in the corner. That's why they don't like it up here. All right, let me get to work. Watch my back. Look, here we go. Fucking dive bombing me. Freaking dive bombing me. Ay, ay, ay. Well, it appears someone set it that way. I just don't know how they locked down. Something don't seem right here. There's no way that look, your key stock is right here. Well, that keyway ends. There's no way that this thing is locked down on the keyway. The pulley needs flipped around. I'm gonna do that right now if I can pull it off with my hand. I don't know why it's all opened up. Did they do that to line up the pulleys? Look at that, they don't even look lined up. This needs flipped. Needs flipped. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, came right off. And look, that's where the set screw was beared down on. The pulley was this way, right? So you lock it down. It needed flipped around. No big deal, but look. See that key stock? It's not even on. It's not even on the set screw. So I don't know how long that's been like that. Let me flip this around, get it actually attached. And that way, if you got your set screw, you're gonna be able to, holy crap, man, I'm like really getting dive bombed here. I should have brought my pew-pew, holy shit. Why the violence? I swear to God, I better get a wrench in my hand. You know what? I know that the biggest tool I've got in my bag are these Icon plier wrench. Come on. I will bat a fucking seagull right out of the sky. Come at me. Come at me. Son of a bitch. Just trying to work here. That one is mighty aggressive. Okay. Holy crap. I always have to be alert, guys. Heightened sense of alert. That one's just sitting there. All right, anyway, where was I? Where's my pulley? Yeah, that way, if you set the screw here, you can push this on all the way and it'll help line up that pulley. So let me get this keyway broke loose, get this thing on there, and we'll go from there, because I gotta get the hell off of this roof before I get freaking attacked. I'm continually getting dive bombed by this freaking seagull. That one right there. Anyway, I've got the key stock out. It needs filed down, and here we go again. Here we go again. Yeah, I think you know better now that I got some tools in my hand. Freaking things, they're all communicating with each other. There's Cedar Point over there, guys. I don't know if you've ever been to Cedar Point, but it's a pretty decent amusement park. It's over yonder. All right, so I'm gonna file down the score mark where the, holy crap, where the set screw marred up the keyway, get this flipped around, get this thing running, get the hell out of here right up, that they all need cleaned. I don't care if we got to pull 2,000 feet of hose. They need cleaned, and that's all there is to it. I'm not doing it today. Maybe get some water up here and spray these fuckers with some chemical. Here we go. Little bastard. I swear, the minute I put the camera down, they really start dive bombing me. This bastard's getting super close now, like coming a foot above my head. Oh, there goes the little baby on a walk. Here he comes, look at this. Right over the top. Look at this thing. If I was sitting, it's literally going right over my head. Good Lord. Sorry guys, I gotta show you this. I know I should be working, but I'm like literally ducking. When this thing knows I'm not looking, it is coming like 6 inches above my head. Did you guys see that? Oh my God, I've never been, where is it? Where is it? I'm gonna kill this thing. Look at this. Ay, ay, ay. Literally a 1.5 feet from my head. Oh, of course, I don't understand either, Siri. All right, I don't understand either. Okay, I got the keyway ground down. We're gonna flip the thing. Let's get it on there. I'm trying to do this one-handed with the camera. I got freaking seagulls dive bombing me. What is going on with this? Oh I gotta file that out too. Where's this bastard at? All right, I'll be back. Here we go. Here we go. This fucking thing, I got it on there. I got it pushed all the way on. I'm gonna adjust this in a bit because there's no way it should have been all the way out like that. I thought it must have come loose. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be a lot better than it was. I've got a spare belt here. Poke my head up. We're gonna put this spare on and right up to come back and replace all belts. Where's this fucker at? Here he comes. You know what happened was somebody opened it all the way up like that because they didn't want to adjust the motor. I know it. I know it. All you got to do is get some wrenches out in there. Did you hear him growl at me? Fucking thing's growling at me. I need hazard pay for this. Gurgling, growling. Fucking seagull, get your baby and go somewhere else. Here he comes. Good Lord. All right. That's exactly what happened. Somebody replaced the motor or the pulley or the belt and didn't want to adjust the tension. So they just opened up the pulley and it was on wrong and it wore the belt down and broke it. And next thing you know, we're here on a service call. Yeah, I know. I hear you. All right, so to tighten or loosen this whole adjustment plate has to be moved. Who wants some? Who wants some? Where's my crescent wrench? All right, let me adjust this pulley. We're going in because I closed up the pulley. It was too wide. Somebody did that to make the belt fit. All right, guys, I've got the pulley all lined up. I got it brought out. I'm gonna lock everything down. I'm gonna tighten it up just a hair more. I'm gonna check amp draw and make sure everything's good. And then we should be decent on this. The Seagulls seem to have moved away. I don't see the baby anymore. He's over in that corner now. So see if I can get out of this unscathed. But that's what I'm gonna do. Looks good, looks lined up, good enough for me. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all locked down on this. I've got that pulley looking a little more normal. Get the screws in it. Let me check the voltage. Where we at? 208, 230. So we're looking for 6 amps, 230, 6 amps, 6.4. Get some screws in it. The attack seems to have subsided. That's a good thing. All right, gonna check rotation. Yeah, rotation's good. All right, let me get the cover on it and we'll get the electrical panel open and check amp draw. Oh, we're back. We're back. Moving some air now. All right. Freaking seagulls. Fucking seagull shit everywhere. And there went some. Did you guys see that? He's trying to shit on me. Fucking disgusting animals. Absolutely disgusting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that spiders. Good Lord. It just keeps getting better and better. Nasty. Now I gotta stick my freaking meter in there. Oh, hell no. Where's my torch? Just light this place up. Get the hell out of here. It's time for a nicotine break. This episode brought to you by On Wintergreen Nicotine Pouches. hit me up on. I'd love a sponsor. Nicotine pouches sponsor. I don't go a day at work without them. So if you guys are addicted to nicotine and want to quit cigarettes, try on nicotine pouches. Gives you the courage to fight off seagulls and spiders when you're doing AC work. All right, which one's our blower? It's the one right there. The one I've got to go to right there. Freaking nasty spider. See it? Let's see what I can do here. You get everything back that the spider could fall into. Got him. No, I didn't. I got two of them running for... Oh. All right, well, he may have survived because I've got enough room now to hit my meter in there. Let's go amp draw. Oh yeah, 3.7. I love it. It's good enough for me. I've had enough. I've had enough! Oh my God, did you see that thing? It was coming right at my head. God, I hope somebody's watching me. We got other birds here now too. I'd go give you a nice view of the lake, but I don't want to get freaking knocked off the edge of the roof. All right, both stages are calling. The blower's running under amps. Beautiful Sandusky, Ohio, Lake Erie. It's a big body of water. Lake Erie. Freaking thing was trying to take my damn head off. Here he comes. Yeah. When I'm standing, he doesn't come nearly as close, but when I'm sitting on my bucket working, he was literally coming a foot above my head. So I got those two carriers, good Lord, right behind me. I'm gonna swat this thing with my hat. Boom. Oh, should I hit him with some no-kill? That'll teach him. Man, you know what? He's just protecting his kid. Oh, there he goes. He's just protecting his baby. But if I was an asshole, he'd get a little no-kill wasp and hornet killer to the face. Here he comes. Look at this thing. Yeah, when I'm standing straight up looking at him, he doesn't come near as close. But if he's coming up behind me, that thing's coming a foot over my head. We're making water. Here he comes. See, I turned and he dipped. Let me see if I can get you backwards. I'm gonna let him come. He thinks I'm... Keep your eyes to the skies, guys. Oh, a poet, didn't even know it. Do you see him? All right, enough messing around. Let's see what our temperature is. Clean this mess up, get the hell out of here. 58 degrees. I love it because it's like 78 in there. I believe that's a 20-degree temp split. Yeah, buddy. All right, I'm gonna button all this up and then I'm gonna meet you over at the roof hatch for one last look at beautiful Lake Erie, Cedar Point, Sandusky, Ohio. I got a picture of that filthy coil. We're gonna be writing up to clean all of these coils. I don't know where water is. I might look, I might not. That Lennox, I looked, the belt's good on it. I checked it, the temperature supply is good, so not getting too carried away with that one. All right, guys, we're all buttoned up. Lake Erie, I'm gonna attempt to get close to the edge here. We got the marina over here. Cedar Point is over yonder. Lake Erie, it's beautiful. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming out. Leave me a comment. Hit like. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.